Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for May 27th, 2015. It's a Wednesday morning and a rather muggy one at that, with temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the interior and along the immediate coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s already in your urban areas. In fact, around Newark and New York City, it's around 73 degrees. So we're definitely dealing with a rather muggy day setting up, with temperatures rising into the 80s for much of the region, upper 70s to lower 80s right along the immediate coast. Now, unlike yesterday, where we had clear skies, dry conditions, sinking air, thus temperatures spiked into the upper 80s to lower 90s in some locations, especially over much of northeastern New Jersey back through southwestern New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Today we're going to be dealing with more of a shower threat, more of a shower and thunderstorm threat. And so as a result, our afternoon high temperatures are going to be a bit cooler, lower to mid 80s generally along the New Jersey coast, mid to upper 80s in the Philadelphia metro, and upper 70s to lower 80s in New York City and Long Island and Connecticut. The overall theme here is going to be the potential for strong to possibly even a few isolated severe thunderstorms over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey that will attempt to push east this evening towards the coast in the form of some showers and some weakening thunderstorms. On the latest radar, you can see we're pretty much high and dry right now, but even this morning we have an isolated shower trying to develop over central eastern Pennsylvania here. And the trend of showers and thunderstorms that was rotating through the Ohio River Valley and the Great Lakes will then start to shift towards our neck of the woods by the time we get to this afternoon. And we can see it very clearly on the infrared satellite picture, that ridge of high pressure that was settling just right over our Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area is now shifting just far enough east to allow all this moisture that is pulling here over the Tennessee River Valley, Ohio River Valley, and down towards the southeast to move into the northern mid-Atlantic, and as a result leading to a threat for showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Now again, if you are right along the coast, most likely you'll miss out on the worst of these showers and thunderstorms. There'll be potential for some showers capable of some heavy downpours, perhaps a rumble of thunder, but that's about it. If you are towards the Delaware River, though, a little bit trickier forecast, better potential for some strong thunderstorms or even an isolated severe thunderstorm, especially as you leave for work this afternoon after from about 2 p.m. on through 8 p.m. will be your best potential for showers and thunderstorms, especially over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. So we're going to watch that very carefully this afternoon. If there's any severe thunderstorms, we will let you know. But for the most part, I think the primary threat with these thunderstorms, and we'll see this again for tomorrow, Friday, and for Saturday, will be the potential for very heavy downpours. So if you get caught in one of these thunderstorms and the visibility drops and you start to see a lot of ponding or a lot of water on the roadways, I would suggest pulling over and wait 30 minutes, wait for the storm to pass, because with these thunderstorms, you combine that with the strong wind gusts at over 40 miles per hour, it can really reduce visibility and impede your potential for or your ability to drive. So use some caution if you're caught in one of these storms. Pull over, wait 30 minutes, and then be on your way, rather than trying to drive through one of these thunderstorms and deal with flash flooding and poor visibility. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State website. We're going to use the European model guidance. And again, for today, tomorrow, and for Friday and Saturday, for that matter, we're going to be continuing to be in this battle between weakening cold fronts approaching from the west and this high pressure system off the mid-Atlantic coast and over the western Atlantic. That will keep us predominantly in a southwesterly to southerly wind pattern at the mid-levels, and at the surface, winds will vary from the southwest, veer to the southeast, and back to the southwest through the forecast period as disturbances move through. And what that generally means is that we're going to remain in a rather tropical type air mass. So temperatures for today on through Saturday will generally remain in this range. As far as lows, everyone's pretty much in the mid to upper 60s. In terms of highs, if you're in the Philadelphia metropolitan area or basically in the Delaware River Valley, And in the interior, look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. Again, if you miss out on a thunderstorm and stay sunny all day, do not be surprised if you spike into the upper 80s and possibly even touch 90 degrees. If you're right along the coast, and especially in the New York City metro itself, look for upper 70s towards Long Island and basically right around 80, 82 degrees for the New York City metro itself as we continue on with this weather pattern. One thing's for sure, you'll definitely feel the humidity as there will be a significant increase in humidity each day with this weather pattern. Now, on Sunday and Monday, a cold front finally slowly moves through the region with showers and thunderstorms. Now, because of the slow movement of this cold front, there will be potential for some scattered showers to be heavy at times and train. So don't be surprised if you see some localized flash flooding in some locations with this slow moving cold front. And you'll definitely notice the much cooler temperatures. On Sunday, look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s in the New York City metropolitan area, lower to mid 70s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. On Monday, again, showers throughout the region, starting to clear out more towards the evening hours. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s in the Philadelphia metro and upper 60s to lower 70s in the New York City metropolitan area. On Tuesday, high pressure is in full control with clear skies, comfortable weather conditions, much lower humidity, temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s for lows, and highs in the lower to mid 70s, which is slightly below normal for this time of year. So that's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.